everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about India's size and location. This chapter is very simple as it talks about only two things, that is India's location and India's size. But this chapter is very important from map point of view. So before starting this chapter in detail, let's have a look of India on the world map. So this is the picture of world map and the rated portion is the India. So this is how India looks on world map. So let's begin with the location of India. Our country, India, is a vast country. It lies in northern hemisphere and it extends from longitude to latitude. In longitude, it extends from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. In latitude, it extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Some students must be confused between the lines of longitude and latitude. So, to clear that confusion, here is a picture showing the lines. So, the vertical line represents longitude and the horizontal lines represent latitude. If we have a look on the map to plot the lines of longitude and latitude, here is the picture. On north, we have 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. In south, we have 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude. On the west, we have 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude. And on the east, we have 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Now, if we talk about the size of India, so starting with the landmass, it is 3.28 million square kilometer and the total geographical area in the world is 2.4%. India is also considered as the 7th largest country in the world. Its land boundary is 15,200 kilometers and the coastal line is exactly the half of the land boundaries. So the total length of the coastal line including the islands is 7,516.6 kilometers. So to be precise with the size of India, its land boundary is 15,200 kilometers. Its total coastal line is 7,516.6 kilometers. It extends from north to south and east to west. So the distance between north to south is 3,214 kilometers and the distance between east to west is 2,933 kilometers. Now coming to the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, which is also referred to as Northern Tropic, is the most northerly circle of latitude on Earth at which the sun can be directly overhead. The Tropic of Cancer is located at 23 degree 30 minutes north. Tropic of Cancer, it divides India in almost 2 equal parts. And it passes through the 8 states of India. If we have a look of Tropic of Cancer on the globe, so this is the picture which represents the globe. So the top line is known as Tropic of Cancer. The middle line is the equator and the bottom line is the Tropic of Capricorn. In the picture, you can see that how Tropic of Cancer is passing through India and dividing it into 2 equal parts. Now, in this picture, a question can be asked in the exam that what are the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes? What are the 8 states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes? So here in the picture you can see the 8 shaded states of India through which the Tropic of Cancer pass. Now, the names of the state through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. It passes through Gujarat. In Gujarat, it passes through Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, it passes through Kalinjar. In Madhya Pradesh, it passes through Shahjahanpur. In Chhattisgarh, it passes through Sonhat. In Jharkhand, it passes through Lohardaga. In West Bengal, it passes through Krishnanagar. In Tripura, it passes through Udaipur. In Mizoram, it passes through Champahi. So these are the 8 states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. So, students, if the question comes in the exam that what are the 8 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes, you just need to mention the name of the states. If we see this on the political map of India, so these are the 8 states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. It has been numbered starting from 1 to 8. From 1, we have Gujarat until Mizoram. Now coming to the distance of India. As we have already seen in the previous slide about the distance from north to south and east to west. So here in the plot, on the map, we can plot it like from north to south its distance is 3214 km, and from east to west it is 2933 km. Now coming to the standard meridian. The standard meridian means it is used for reckoning standard time throughout most of the world. In other words, we can say that the local time stated or mentioned at this meridian is considered as the standard time for the whole country. So if we go on detail about the standard meridian, we know that east and west extents of India are smaller than north and south extents. But there is a time lag of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, which are located on east and west extents. So what happened? There, to avoid the time confusion in the whole country, A time along the standard meridian, which is 82 degree 30 minutes east, is taken as standard time for the whole country. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. And if we have a look of the standard meridian on the map, you can see the dash red color line represent standard of meridian, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So this is how we came to a solution just to avoid the problem of time in whole country. So students, I wish and I hope that everything is clear in this chapter with the map point of view, and you will score good marks. Thank you everyone.